this straight cut is 5.5 inches wide and 18 inches long. The next thing to do is to arrange your leather just like this, and then take one part and sew to the second part just this way, and then for the other two panels you do the same thing. Head over to your sewing machine and then stitch them together. Wow, this is the outcome. And then the second part is also here. The next thing after this is to join these two parts together. Head over to your machine again and then sew them together. Well, for this project I chose to use a plain and a pattern of flowered leather just to bring out the beauty of this work, and I actually love the outcome. So the four parts finally joined together. We are getting somewhere. So for this project, would you rather try plain, flower plain, or flowered? Put it in the comments. Thank you. So we are gradually getting somewhere, and now we are joining sides. So take one side, join it to the next side. Just head to your machine and sew. Right then. Now this is what we have. Next thing to do, join the other side. Head over to your sewing machine again and sew. Just this is what we have. Wow. Our bag is taking shape. Sew the next side again. Just repeat the same process until all the sides are completely closed. Then we have our bag. Well, I'm just closing the last part. Yeah. Sew it. The same process will be repeated for the bag's inner lining. Cut the four panels and sew them together. The next thing to do is fix your handle. The measurement for the handle is 3 inches before folding by 18 inches long. Then after folding my handle, I got like 1.23 inches of the handle, that is the wideness of the handle. So I fixed it to my bag, and then here brought my lining, and then put your bag inside. Put the bag inside the lining this way. Properly arrange and make sure they are aligned. The edges, every corner, the shape of the bag is, it's aligned to the shape of the lining, just like this. And then sew the edges. You have to sew round to cover up. So, but remember to leave an opening. This is my opening, so where I can turn the back, so enable me easily turn the back. Okay, bag is finally turned. The right side of the bag. This is the right side of the bag. Wow, that is forming shape. It's gradually forming shape, so I have to top stitch this area just for plain and neat work. Ta-da! Our bag is finally here. So if you're just joining me for the first time on this channel, I want to say thank you and welcome to Joserly Expression. And if you find it interesting, do well to subscribe and drop a comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.